Hello, I am Manu Ganesh from GPY Machine Tools. Today I am pleased to present our KTM Clobber 10055 machine. This machine we have sold in lot of die and mold industry, and a lot of top plastic, injection molding and also die casting mold customers are using our machine. This machine we have options of spindle up to 12,000 RPM. Our strokes are 1 meter in X, Y 550 and Z is 550. So this machine will also be purchased by a mold maker soon. Thanks a lot for visiting our booth. Please give us a chance to connect with you. Thank you.